Hey, so thought I would make a video of a toy I just made for her. And you can see her grasping at it, and she wants it. Especially the bright orange one. She loves bright colors. See her ripping it apart. So I got the idea. So cute! King Tug-of-War. I got the idea from Petco. Because you can buy these Parrot mobile things, which are like anywhere from $30, $40 for something like this, and it's basically just made of cardboard and wood and just things for them to chew up. And so what I did was I have it's floss. I've got a little plastic hook on the end that I tied it to. And hi! And she really wants it. And I just took my recycling and cut a hole through it all and passed the floss and knotted it. And now she's got an inexpensive gift. And it keeps her from tearing up the apartment because she's got something nice to chew. Loves cardboard. Alright, so that is my parrot toy video.